guys, taking a walk through Bishop Park, Michigan today. I haven't been here in a little while, and I don't know exactly when this park was established, but I know the city of Wyandotte was established, it was settled by the Huron Indians in 1732, and that's where it got the name Wyandotte. So this is a park that I used to go to years ago because the fireworks were here, so we'd find a way, to get into Wyandotte. I was a few cities over where I grew up. This is the Detroit River. And there's a plant. I don't know what that plant is, but over there to the left is a plant. And at times they'd say they're toxic to eat the fish, mercury, what have you, or whatever. Now it says it's open for fishing, but oddly there's signs saying no fishing. So I haven't been here in a little while, so I'm just not sure. So I'm checking out this park as well. All the way straight ahead, way down, is the other park that I went to in Trenton, Michigan. Oops, lost my phone there for a second. And that was the one that Elizabeth Park that I videotaped, which is along the Detroit River as well. So here's a dock, and this is where I have come in the past, and there would be loaded with people fishing. And no one is out here fishing now. Actually, there was one couple that was fishing. I'm not sure if they're actually supposed to be there. There are no fishing signs all over the place, and I'm not sure why, because if you read about Bishop Park in Michigan, it says fishing, picnicking, and all this stuff, so I'm not sure what's going on. But they do have pavilions that, for larger parties and grills to cook out. Fishing used to be a thing. I don't know what's going on with that. And I'm thinking that the art fairs and stuff are down this way as well. I know they have the fireworks here still sometimes. And then when we were kids, they had what was called the Boblo boat, and that used to dock right here at the pier, and that's where you would get on the Boblo boat. It originally started at the other park, Elizabeth Park, that I videotaped, but that was short-lived. I think I was a very young child in the 60s getting on the boat there, and then it would be here. And there no longer is a launch on Boblo boat to Boblo Island. That no longer exists. But this area right here looking into the water is so weedy. I don't see how you'd have to just drop your pole. I mean, you couldn't cast. Maybe out from that dock, you might be able to cast. So I'm going to take a walk along here and see what I can find. See what's going on at Bishop Park. Alright, so I'm going to walk a little ways along the Detroit River. Boy, this water is mucky and dirty from what I see here. Well, actually, maybe not as dirty, but a lot of weeds. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's about 80 degrees already, but it is supposed to get into the 90s today, so it's going to be a short-lived visit to the park. But I like to get out and get my walk. So let me just walk all the way to the other end and see what's going on. A little island out there. I'm not sure what that island is. And this building here is for veterans. There's a lot of benches here. It'd be nice for seating, I imagine, for the fireworks or whatever's going on in the water. I see a few people. This woman is looking at the fish, so I'll put my camera down so I don't get her on the videotape and go check out the fish.
But I guess it's good for them. See
Ooh.
right there? You see? Right there.
Yeah, that's a silver, what are those? Silver bass?
Okay. I'll go for them. Turn this.
Yeah.
There's no fishing.
Now there's a no fishing sign that says fishing only between 6 and 10. So like this part, this very small area, you can fish between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. and that's it. So I don't know, it's the craziest thing. There's some more people here doing some, I think it's called magnet fishing. So I'm gonna go check that out.
Air bubbles indicate that it's starting to come off the bottom. And like I said, we're not experts, we just watch a lot of YouTube videos.
So that magnet fishing was really interesting. I just started feeling hot and dizzy. I don't have a hat on. And even though it's early in the morning, I just couldn't handle the heat. So I'm walking back to my car. That's definitely something I'd like to try. This is so interesting. So thanks for taking a walk with me today. And maybe next time I can get some magnet fishing in.